In this quick tutorial I will show you how to get the Raptor mount in World of Warcraft Wrath of the Lich King. This mount is for trolls, and I will show you how to get it if you are a troll, but also I will explain to you how to get it if you are a different race, if you are a tauren or an undead, a blood elf or whatever. There is a condition if you are a different race. Alright, I will show you in a second the location on the map. First, if you press U as an umbrella, this reputation tab will come up, and if you are a different race, as I told you, you must get the Darkspear Trolls reputation up to Exalted, okay? So this condition applies only if you are a different race other than trolls. And to get the reputation up to Exalted, you will have to come here in Durotar and do quests from Darkspear Trolls quests, okay? The training cost for the Raptor for the level 20 is 3 gold and 60 silvers, and the level 40 training costs 45 gold, and also the cost for the level 90 Raptor, because you'll have also to buy the mount itself. The Raptor mount costs 90 silvers and 9 gold each for the level 40, which is much faster than the level 20. And we're located, I'll show you on the map right now, in Durotar, right here in the south, and as I told you, in Durotar in Kalimdor. So from here you can get the troll mount, the Raptor mount in Wrath of the Lich King. I hope this tutorial helped you out, and thanks a lot for watching.